Welcome. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. In this session, we will guide the skin through a deep cleansing ritual, focusing on blackhead removal, pore purification, and skin renewal. This process is designed to be gentle, methodical, and calming, allowing the skin to relax while impurities are slow. Blackheads are not dirt. They are oxidized sebum and dead skin cells trapped inside open pores. With patience, warmth, and correct technique, the skin can be cleansed without damage, pain, or stress. Step 1. Preparing the skin. Before any extraction, preparation is essential. The skin is gently cleansed using a mild, sulfate-free cleanser. Soft circular motions remove surface oil, sunscreen residue, and environmental pollutants. No pressure, no rushing. The cleanser is rinsed away with lukewarm water, never hot, never cold. The skin is patted dry with a clean, soft towel. At this stage, the skin begins to relax. Step 2. Warm steam therapy. A warm steam is introduced to the face. The steam slowly rises, opening the pores, softening hardened sebum. This step lasts 8 to 10 minutes. As the warmth surrounds the skin, blackheads begin to loosen naturally. There is no force, only cooperation with the skin's natural response. Breathing remains slow, calm, even. Step 3. Skin analysis. Now, the skin is carefully examined. The nose, the chin, the cheeks, the forehead. Blackheads vary in size and depth. Some are shallow and ready to release, others are deeper and require patience. We never force what is not ready. Step 4. Applying pre-extraction solution. A gentle pre-extraction solution is applied. This solution helps dissolve excess oil inside the pores. It reduces friction. It protects the skin barrier. The solution is lightly massaged in, allowing it to penetrate deeply. The skin becomes softer, more flexible, more receptive. Step 5. Beginning gentle extractions. Using sterilized tools and glove hands, the extraction begins. Pressure is slow and controlled, always downward and outward, never pinching. One pore at a time. As pressure is applied, the blackhead begins to rise. A small release, a gentle escape. The pore is cleared, the skin remains calm. Step 6. Nose area. Detailed work. The nose often holds the most congestion. Each pore is approached individually. No dragging, no scraping. When a blackhead resists, we stop, we move on, we return later. This protects the skin from broken capillaries and inflammation. Step 7. Chin and jawline extraction. The chin area often contains compact blackheads. Extra patience is required. Light pressure. Hold. Release. Sebum exits slowly. The pore relaxes. Step 8. Cheeks. Sensitive zone. The cheeks are delicate, only visible. Ready blackheads are addressed. No deep digging. The skin is respected. Step 9. Forehead cleansing. The forehead often contains small, clustered congestion. Each area is worked gently. Short breaks are taken to allow circulation to normalize. Step 10. Continuous sanitization. Throughout the process, tools are wiped and sanitized. Hands remain clean. Hygiene is non-negotiable. Step 11. Calming the skin. Once extractions are complete, the skin rests. A cool compress is applied. Redness begins to fade. Pores slowly contract. The skin breathes. Step 12. Antibacterial toner application. A soothing toner is applied. This helps to disinfect pores, reduce redness, balance pH. The toner absorbs quietly, silently. Step 13. Healing mask application. A calming clay or gel mask is applied. The mask works deeply, tightening pores, absorbing leftover oil, encouraging healing. The face rests for 10 to 15 minutes. Stillness, silence, relaxation. Step 14. Mask removal. The mask is gently removed with lukewarm water. No pulling, no rubbing. The skin is fresh, clean, balanced. Step 15. Hydration layer. A lightweight hydrating serum is applied. This restores moisture lost during cleansing. Hydration is essential after extraction. The skin drinks it in. Step 16. Moisturizer seal. A non-comedogenic moisturizer is gently pressed into the skin. This seals hydration, protects the barrier, prevents future blackheads. Step 17. Sun protection reminder. If daytime, sunscreen is applied. Fresh skin must be protected. Step 18. Post-treatment advice. After blackhead removal, avoid makeup for 24 hours. Avoid touching the face. Drink water. Keep skin clean. Healing continues beneath the surface. Step 19. Emotional relaxation. Skincare is not only physical. As pores clear, tension releases. The face feels lighter. The mind feels calm. Step 20. Closing words. Your skin has been treated with care, with patience, with respect. Blackhead removal is not about force. It is about understanding the skin. Thank you for allowing this moment of calm, cleansing, and renewal. Breathe in and gently breathe out. Step 20. Skin rest phase. After the initial treatment, the skin is allowed to rest. No touching, no rubbing. This pause allows circulation to normalize and redness to calm naturally. The pores begin to settle into a relaxed state. Step 21. Cooling gel application. A lightweight cooling gel is gently applied. The gel spreads smoothly across the skin, bringing a sensation of freshness. Inflammation begins to reduce. The skin feels calm, balanced, comforted. Step 22. Lymphatic drainage massage. Using soft upward strokes, a gentle lymphatic massage begins. This helps remove toxins beneath the skin and reduces puffiness. Pressure remains light, rhythmic, slow. Step 23. Pore-refining essence. A pore-refining essence is pressed gently into the skin. This helps tighten pores after extraction. It absorbs quietly, without irritation. The skin barrier feels supported. Step 24. Focus on high extraction areas. Extra care is given to areas that had heavier blackheads, a nose, a chin, a jawline. These areas receive extra soothing product to prevent dryness. Step 25. Redness control treatment. A calming solution designed to reduce redness is applied. The skin begins to even out in tone, sensitivity decreases, comfort returns fully. Step 26. Hydration boost layer. A hydrating ampoule or serum is layered gently. Hydration penetrates deeply into the pores. This step prevents future congestion caused by dehydration. Step 27. Barrier repair support. A skin barrier repair formula is applied. This helps to strengthen the skin, prevent moisture loss, protect from bacteria. Healthy skin heals faster. Step 28. Light pressure relaxation massage. Soft tapping motions are used. This stimulates blood flow gently, without irritation. The face feels awake yet relaxed. Step 29. Spot treatment, if needed. Any areas with deeper congestion receive a light antibacterial spot treatment. This prevents post-extraction breakouts. Only minimal product is used. Step 30. Final cooling compress. A cool compress is applied again. Pores tighten further. The skin feels refreshed. This step locks in calmness. Step 31. Skin texture assessment. The skin is carefully examined. Texture appears smoother. Congested pores look clearer. The skin reflects light evenly. No irritation is present. Step 32. Light moisture mist. A fine facial mist is sprayed lightly. This refreshes the skin and adds an extra hydration layer. The mist settles softly. Step 33. Oxygenation phase. The skin is left untouched for a moment. Oxygen naturally reaches the pores. Healing continues beneath the surface. Silence. Stillness. Step 34. Protective moisturizer application. A non-comedogenic moisturizer is applied. This seals all previous layers. The skin remains soft and flexible. No heaviness, no residue. Step 35. Under-eye comfort care. The under-eye area receives gentle care. This balances the overall facial appearance and enhances relaxation. Step 36. Final skin balance check. The skin's oil and hydration balance is reviewed. There is no excessive shine, no dryness. Balance has been restored. Step 37. Post-treatment skin education. The client is reminded, do not squeeze pores or avoid heat and sun, keep skin clean. Healing is ongoing. Step 38. Nighttime care advice. If done in the evening, keep skin makeup free. Use gentle products only. Let skin breathe.